Now we discuss the Bohr effect. Bohr effect, it has very important physiological effect in transport of oxygen from lungs to tissue and in transport of carbon dioxide from tissue to lung. हमने इस डायग्राम को लास्ट लेक्चर में डिस्कस भी किया था. लंग्स में ऑक्सीजन को इनहेल किया जाएगा एट हाई पार्शियल प्रेशर और ऑक्सीजन मसल्स में जाएगी एट लो पार्शियल प्रेशर वेयर द पार्शियल प्रेशर इज जस्ट 20 to 32. Hemoglobin from HbO2. This oxygen from HbO2 transferred to myoglobin where it form MbO2. This oxygen is transferred for the respiration, for the oxidation of the food. Now by the respiration oxidation of food, carbon dioxide is produced. This carbon dioxide is again passed to the lungs with the help of hemoglobin present in the blood. This carbon dioxide produced combine with water to form the H2CO3 bicarbonic acid. This bicarbonic acid ionizes into bicarbonate ion and H positive ion in the presence of carbonic anhydrase enzyme. This H positive creates the acidity in the blood, and in the acidic media favor the release of oxygen from the hemoglobin to the muscle. This bicarbonate ion again combine with water to form the carbon dioxide at the site of lungs, which pass to the lungs and exhale from our body. So both hemoglobin and myoglobin have similar binding affinity for oxygen at high partial pressure, but at low partial pressure of oxygen, hemoglobin has poor binding with oxygen. For example, in muscles, tissue consumed this oxygen and produced CO2. CO2 lower the pH by producing H positive ion with the water. This increased acidity and favor the release of oxygen from the oxyhemoglobin to myoglobin. So oxygen affinity for hemoglobin varies with the pH of the medium. एसिडिक मीडिया जब आपका यहाँ बना इस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की वजह से, इस एसिडिक मीडिया ने हेमोग्लोबिन में से ऑक्सीजन के रिलीज को फेवर किया है. The variation of oxygen affinity with pH of the medium is called Bohr effect. According to Bohr effect, affinity for hemoglobin for oxygen decreases with decrease in pH as shown in figure. This is affinity for oxygen at pH 7.6 and this is the affinity for oxygen at pH 6.8. Percentage saturation at pH 7.6 shown by this graph and percentage saturation at pH 6.8 is shown by this graph. This is shown in muscles. Partial pressure of oxygen is low. Here partial pressure is high. This is shown for the in lungs. The carbon dioxide produced in muscle diffuses to capillaries. Bicarbonate ion in the presence of enzyme carbonic anhydrase is present in the RBCs. Most of carbon dioxide in blood carried in the form of bicarbonate ion by hemoglobin and back to lungs where carbon dioxide is exhaled. This is the Bohr effect.